Hello students, once again I welcome you all in this online session of general knowledge. I hope you all are safe and sound. And yes, keep updating your knowledge, start reading newspapers and I can give you questions from newspapers anytime, any day. So students, today our topic is consumer protection. Consumer protection is the practice of safeguarding buyers of goods and services and the public against unfair practices in the marketplace. Consumer protection measures are often established by law. Consumer protection makes markets work for both businesses and consumers. Consumers need to be able to obtain accurate, unbiased information about the products and services they purchase. This enables them to make the best choices based on their interests and prevents them from being mistreated or misled by businesses. So I hope you are getting some idea about consumer protection. And yes, a very common thing, we all are aware of Jago Grahak Jago advertisement on Indian TV channels and newspapers. It is a campaign started by Consumer Forum of India to make the consumers aware about their rights and duties. And we should keep in mind some points related to the consumer protection which I am going to tell you now. While we go for shopping, these points you should keep in your mind. The very first and very important point is always check the date of manufacturing and date of expiry on the back. Yes, most of us are doing so, and if not, start doing it now. The next very important point is check for an ISI mark which is approved by the Bureau of Indian Standards for best quality products. Okay, so whenever you are going for shopping, just go for these things. Just check whether ISI mark is there or not. And the next thing is always ask for a bill which serves as the proof of purchase. Many a times we ignore these things, but we should not. Always you should ask for a bill. Next and very important point, never pay more than the MRP printed on the product. Yes, always check for the MRP. So which things you will check? The date of manufacture, the date of expiry, ISI mark and the MRP. So if the shopkeeper is asking you the amount more than the MRP, you should not give. You should refuse and you can tell him that you cannot ask more than the MRP. Right? It's under the Consumer Protection Act. Okay students, so these are the points that you should keep in your mind and you can tell others also while they are going for shopping. Now regarding today's exercise, we have some certification marks and the products associated with them. So I am telling you, the first mark is this FSSAI, and this mark is used for all food products. So whether when you are going to shop for these food products, go for this mark. Okay. Up next to it is this mark and it is for agricultural products. So if you are going for agricultural products, this mark you have to see whether it's there or not. The third mark is very common one, the green dot. Yes, it is for vegetarian food, and if it is a red dot, it will be for non-vegetarian food. Okay. The last mark is this one, and this is hallmark for gold and silver jewelry. So when you are going for gold and silver jewelry, just see if this mark is there or not. So I hope now you got some idea about Consumer Protection Act and which things you should keep in your mind while going for shopping, whether with someone or alone. Always check all these things which I have listed today. And yes, the homework for today is you have to complete the worksheet 2 in your books and just send me on WhatsApp. Till the next time, keep updating your knowledge. Thank you and have a great day.